in the wee hours of the night. Must have been about, I fell asleep very early because I got really, really sleepy. I fell asleep really, really early. And then I woke up at around 2:30 in the morning. And I was like, oh God. I tried going back to sleep. I was like, I need to get some more rest in, right? And then I hear something from the darkness. It scared the fucking life out of me. Do you know what it was? It sounded literally like from my bathroom. It sounded uncannily like someone going, ah. Literally, it felt like it was in the room with me. It was fucking horrifying. And then I figured out, okay, it's probably just the pipes, right? It's probably just the pipes. What do you mean you're a demon? Why are you scared? I'm not immortal. I'm not invincible. I can very much be killed. Many have tried. You know, I'm not about to let this be the day. Phoenix, thank you very much for the super. Literally haunted? I might well be. I certainly hope that my home is not haunted. Maybe that was what caused the electrical stuff earlier. You know, maybe it was the ops. They were haunting me and trying to burn the place down. It makes sense, you know, when you're as incredibly successful and sexy as I am, it's actually very difficult not to attract a lot of unwanted attention. It's just my cross to bear, you know, I'm always slaying way too hard.